So this is a new thing, but like, so this is the KHL, and we're gonna do some warm-ups. Today's game is gonna be the Avalanche versus the Penguins. This is Pan. You're probably your host because he's probably the main character since this is his channel. So, and I'm just like the secondary main character in hockey. So, warm-ups are on its way, and most people do it. Like first to like 5 goals and the game's over. But we're doing 5-minute periods. So like we'll do like I think we're doing a running clock, so it'd be like 15 minutes, and overtime it would be 3 minutes. So let's get it started and let's play. Stop the time. Okay, finish it in. Oh. That's mine. Goal for the home team. Okay, 1-0 Avalanche. Oh, right off the post. That's yours. Where did it go? That would be mine. Oh, got it. Let's see. It's still in like the thing. What? I saw it hit. It's still in here. This is the spot. Somewhere in here. Oh, right here. Got it. Whose ball is this? Yours. It's
more outs this year.
I mean, isn't this a different channel from last time? That we just stopped halfway through? Oh, what a block! Oh, block! Ah, tried to get it there.
Oh,
It hit off my arm and rolled up. Yes! Flip. There's 25 seconds left. Go, 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 go. 25 seconds. Oh, hit off the post! No! 7, 6, 5, 4. No. 3. Second period. KHL.
okay.
Okay. Oh, you got it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh! Oh!
Oh,
Whoa! No, it's out, it's out. It's out of the end. I hit off my locker room. No! Own goal.
well, that's a really own goal.
I mean, it hit off you and it just bounced back in. Oh, it hit off you, dang it.
I felt that hit off my hip.
Yeah, hit off your hip and then just bounce out. If it didn't hit off your hip, that would be a perfect goal. Oh, oh, man. Oh, not check. Oh. You think they're better in Twin Boy TV? Twin Boy was like that was like the 3 guys.
Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, I didn't knock back in. Ah, I missed.
Did it go in here?
I don't know. I think it went. It might have went to your workspace. Oh no, it's right here. Got it. Who's this year? Oh, no. I didn't know what it was. Whenever, yeah. Can I score a goal this period? No.
Oh,
Where'd it go? Oh. Where'd it go? Oh. Oh. It bounced this way. You got it? Damn. Where's that? Crack it up. You gotta go. I think it's mine, right?
uh-huh.
Ah! Oh. Get the boards out a little bit.
Oh,
Oh. Oh. Oh, no!
I thought I could sneak it through there.
Yeah, I closed it just for time there.
Oh, oh no. Oh,
We got 1 minute and 45 seconds left.
quickly. Oh,
You good? You good? Or you served it. Violation. Ball to the face. Oh, off the stick. No! Oh, almost on second. 18 seconds. Oh, shit. It's mine. It's mine. Quick. Okay, here it over. Yeah, got it. 3-2. I didn't score any in the second. I scored 3 in the first. Okay, let's get ready for page up. Okay. Oh yeah, fuck. Alright. Oh! I got like runs. Oh, I did about a second. Oh, it's out. That's on you. My turn. Oh, trying to sneak it by you. Okay, 3-3. Oh no! Oh, that's me time.
Wait, is this still fine? Yeah, it's still good. But what is that?
Oh, blocker save. That's mine.
I think it's supposed to the first time.
Yeah, like the first time I hit the post and like the second time I hit my blocker. I hurt my knee. Ow. My knee. No. You're gonna take care of me at my weakest? No. That's me. I hurt my knee. I don't know how I did. We got 2 minutes left. It's 3-3 in the third period. No! It hit the phone! We gotta see after this hit the camera.
I'm gonna go top stuff on you. Oh.
I got it. Yeah! And let's add a goal home. We have 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Oh no.
No! 4-4. 1 minute left.
I'm gonna talk to you. Morning.
Oh, face it, didn't I?
Oh no. Oh.
Oh, it's me, it's
No.
me.
Oh my god.
How much second? 40! Oh no!
30 seconds left.
Come on, go! 27 seconds!
10 seconds left?
Yes!
Oh, I think it's action. 3, 2, 1. We are the champions.
5, 4. Okay, guys. Well, that was sad. So, 4-5 final. Hope you had fun. This is Penguins versus Avalanche. We're gonna make our sheet so the Penguins have 1 point right now, and the Avalanche have 0.
Goodbye, guys. Hope you had fun watching. Bye.